Good morning, sir. My name is Divesh Gurung. I am 23 years old. I am unmarried. I am from Kaspi, Nepal, and I have 5 members in my family. And my education level is close to pass. And my weight is 70 kg, and my height is 5.3 feet. And I am physically fit and fine. And my hobby is to play football, basketball, volleyball, and traveling new places. And I have 3 years of experience as a factory worker in Nepal. And I want to come to Europe as a factory worker in a good company and show skills. And I will earn money and support my family. And I can do loading, unloading, weightlifting, checking the quality of products. And I will stay there 4 to 5 years. And I am a hardworking person. And I can do work in any climates, and indoor and outdoor I can manage. And I will complete my contract of 2 years. And I will follow the rules and regulations of police of company. Thank you, sir.